In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Whether you want to engage your visitors with special promotions or gather their contact information, pop-ups are a wonderful way to capture attention effectively. So let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to the website where you want to add your pop-up. Once you're there, head over to the Wix editor. The editor is where all the magic happens. This handy tool allows you to customize and manage every aspect of your website. Next, you'll want to locate the Add a button in the left-hand toolbar. It's typically represented by a cross sign or a plus icon. Once you click on it, a menu will appear. This menu provides a range of elements you can add to your site. You're going to select Interactive from this list. This section includes elements that can be more engaging for site visitors. After selecting Interactive, the next step is to look for the Up Promotion option. Here, you'll find various pre-designed templates for pop-ups that you can use to make sure your promotions stand out. Choose a design that you feel fits well with your website's overall style and feel. This can range from simple informational pop-ups to more lively and vibrant templates designed for specific campaigns, such as a holiday sale. Once you've picked a design you like, it's time to truly make it your own. Customization is key here. Click on your chosen design to open the editor settings. Now you can modify every element of the pop-up to suit your specific needs. This includes adjusting the text to communicate your unique message, altering colors to match your site's theme, and even adding images or logos that represent your brand. Take some time here to ensure that everything aligns well with your overall design vision and the goals you have for this pop-up. During customization, remember the purpose of your pop-up. Are you aiming to boost your subscribers, provide a special discount? Whatever the goal, make sure that every part of the pop-up, from images to call to action buttons, is geared towards achieving it. After you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with how the pop-up looks and functions, don't forget to preview your changes. Previewing lets you see exactly how the pop-up will appear to your visitors, giving you the chance to make any final tweaks before going live. And there you have it. Adding a pop-up to your Wix website is a straightforward way to enhance visitor interaction and boost conversions. By following these steps, you can create compelling pop-ups that capture your visitors' attention and support your website's goals. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!